Hello everyone, welcome to RBI Interview and Fact series. In this video, we are going to see the different security features of the Indian currency. First, we will see the general security features that are there for all the denominations, and then we will see the high level security features also. So when I talk about the general security features, the first one is see-through register. As you can see in the image itself, that basically these are the small floral designs that are printed on the front and the back side of the note, right? And whenever you will hold the note against the light, they perfectly align to form the denomination numeral. For example, if it's a 500 rupee note, you will see the 500 value, and similarly in the other type of notes also. Now, the second feature is basically watermark. So as you can see the white window over here. So watermark is nothing but it is a portrait of Mahatma Gandhi that is visible in the white window whenever it is held against the light, right? The third is micro lettering. Micro lettering is nothing but you can find tiny letters representing RBI or sometimes Bharat in Hindi, right? And the denomination values are hidden in the different parts of the note, right? And you can see them only using a magnifying glass. That is why it is known as micro lettering. The next is fluorescence. So these are nothing but these are the panels and optical fibers that are embedded in the paper glow, and they are visible under the UV light. Now let us see the high security features also. These are the features that are available for those notes that are rupees 100 and above only, right? The first is intaglio printing, which is nothing but the raised ink. You can feel them by touch, right? For example, the portrait of Mahatma Gandhi that you can see it over here, the Ashoka pillar emblem, right? So that's how they are printed. The next is the latent image, as you can see it over here. So it is nothing but a vertical band on the right side of the Gandhi's portrait, right? And it contains a hidden image of the denomination numeral, right? And you will be able to see it only when the note is held horizontally at eye level, right? The next is angular bleed lines. So now these are the lines that you can see as a part of this picture. So these are basically raised lines on the left and the right side of the edges, and they are very helpful for those people who are visually impaired, right? So they are able to identify the denomination through that. The last is basically the identification mark. So this is nothing but a specific geometric shape that is printed in the raised ink above the Ashoka pillar emblem, right? And it is there on the right side. So these are the different type of features that are there. So thank you so much and all the best. I hope it was helpful for you.